Time once again for The Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Molly Clark and Ed Ciarimboli. Big day for you?
Big day for me. 13 years ago, my lovely wife Jennifer, I think I tricked her into saying yes, and we were married 13 years ago today. So
congrats to you for putting up with this.
Listen, she puts up with quite a bit. So.
She sure does. Oh, well, congrats to both of you. 13 years, that's wonderful. Hopefully many more are coming.
I hope so.
And in the meantime, we have a lot of free legal advice to get to. So let's get to this one from Kim in Scranton. She's saying, I have a breach of contract case with my former customer. My company supplies them with cleaning services. They owe me more than $50,000. Please let me know what I can do.
So, Kim, obviously what you're going to have to do is bring a legal action against, against them. So right now, the amount in controversy, $50,000, would not breach the threshold, for a jury trial. So you could actually file this as a statutory arbitration, case, but or a jury trial, because they're right on the edge. But I mean, you're going to have to sue them for a breach of contract claim, which is essentially a civil claim. And I'll let Molly tell you a little bit more about what you're going to have to do, because she's done a number of these types of cases in addition to the personal injury work that she does. But you're going to have to sue.
Yeah, I agree with Eddie, and I think you could probably put it into the jury trial or arbitration, your choice. We could talk to you about that and walk you through it. But what you really need to do is start gathering documentation. I don't know if you have a written contract, you have at least invoices or statements or something to reflect the services that were performed and the money that you're owed, because that's the most important thing to do. And if you could put that in front of a panel of arbitrators or a jury and they see it, you have a case, and you should be able to recover for that.
All right, well, reach out to them for a free consult and more information. You can find them online and give them a call. And if you have questions for The Law and You, submit to the PAHomepage.com.